Hello guys, I am Vrinda and welcome back to my digital diary. It's officially summertime and I am doing something that is I think every other Mumbaiker is planning right now, that is a Goa trip. And I bought a few pieces which are vacation friendly. I bought these pieces from Ajio and Zudio mainly, and these all are budget friendly. So I thought why not share them with you guys. So let's get started with the video and see what all I bought for my Goa trip. The pieces that I have bought are perfect for the beach days, the sunsets, and all the Goa vibes. So let me show you what all I have bought. The first thing is this beautiful tank top. This one is from Old Navy and I bought this from Ajio for 455 rupees. I am listing all the links down in the description box so you can purchase these pieces from there. Beautiful khaki tank top. It has this lace detailing, this trim on the sleeves and on the neck. I think I am pairing these with a matching khaki pant or a white trouser that I have bought. First piece, and I really love this piece and I'm really looking forward to style this. Second piece that I have bought is from Zudio. I recently went to Zudio. I think people really underestimate Zudio. Some pieces are of really good quality and they are really affordable too, and I found this really beautiful and cute top from Zudio. You can see this is the early 2000 white top, very Y2K-ish, and I am in the medium size. I bought this one in medium and this is for 499 rupees. I think this is a very nice top which again I can pair with all of my bottoms. I specifically bought this one pair of pants which I'm going to pair with almost all these tops. I really love this. It is a mauvey pink, baby pinkish color, I would say. This again has a trim, lace trim on the neck, and this has this V-neck detailing. And I really love this top. This has this lace trim at the bottom as well. Another similar kind of top which is also from Zudio. So this is another top. This is also in medium. So I buy tops in medium or small size mainly. They both fit me very well. This is another white top from Zudio. This is again in medium size and again for the 499 price range only. This has this beautiful white lace detailing on the neck and it has a tie-up detailing. Actually this does nothing, it is just for the show. It has small buttons too, as you can see, and this is a crop top, and yeah, I'm looking forward to style this as well. This goes with my pants that I have bought for this trip. I have bought really beautiful pants which I'll show you next. This next top is also from Ajio. I really liked it online. I really liked how it appeared online, but it did not come as I thought it would be. This was supposed to be a shirt top with a beautiful floral print, but I don't know, it just doesn't look as it looked online. So I'm obviously returning this, but the fitting of this top is really good. This was in small size. As I told you, I changed from small to medium size, but this small size also fitted me so well, but I am really disappointed with the look of it actually. I don't know, on camera it looks really beautiful, but in real life the print is really dull and just not beautiful. So I'm returning this one, but if you are looking for such similar tops, you can check out the links in my description box. This next top is from Ajio and I'm going to return this because this was supposed to be a set, and I received only the shirt part of it. It was supposed to come with the shorts which was of the same print. I really love this material. This I think this is blended, cotton blended, and I really love this material, really love this print and this color and everything, but it did not come in a set. It was supposed to come in a set. So I'm returning this. Also, I bought this in medium size, but for some reasons this is too loose. I mean, for oversized fitting as well, this is too loose. So I'm returning this one. But if you want a similar piece, Ajio has really nice pieces and in affordable range too. This cord set was supposed to be for 569 rupees, but yeah, I'm returning this because this did not come with the pants. The next top is again from Ajio. This is by the brand Outrit, I don't know how you call it, but this is again in a small size. But for small, I don't know, it somehow fits me quite loose. I really like the top. This is a beautiful top. You can pair it with those bell bottom jeans or pants, and it will look very, very, very beautiful. But again, it doesn't fit me that well. The armholes are quite large and it was very loose on me, even though this is a small one. I initially thought of altering this, but I was like, this was for 450 or 500 rupees or something. I thought of I would get another good top in this similar range, but this is really nice satiny finishing top. It also has a lining inside like this, you can see, so it is not see-through at all. And this is again a beautiful top. Doesn't fit me well, so I'm returning this one, but you can check this out. This is a really nice one. This is a t-shirt, a loungewear t-shirt which I bought from Colaba Causeway. This is again in the size medium, and I bought this for 350 rupees. I really love this one. This is very soft. The other one that I bought with this is I'm wearing every day, so I'm not showing that to you, but this one I am keeping for this trip specifically. The quality of it is so good, and you can check out my Colaba vlog if you want to see where I got this from. Only pants that I bought for this trip are these ones. These are the straight fit pants from Zudio, and I am in the size small, but these are a little bit long for me, so I'm going to alter them, and I'm going to pair these with this white top which is also from Zudio. They, I think, come in a set, but they sell it separately, so they have same texture and similar style as well. The fabric and the color, everything is similar, so I can pair them together. But I am also planning to pair this with the pink top that I showed you, this one, and I can always pair it with the kanji or the tank top, and they go very well together. And I really love these pants. These were for 900 rupees. I was little skeptical for buying such high priced pants. I mean, for Zudio this price is a little higher, I feel, because the pant, the material seems really nice. I don't think that these are transparent as well. But yeah, I think these are really good. I can use them even after the trip. So these were the pants. You can, I think everybody should check out these pants. I mean, Westside really has nice pieces, but we can always give a try to Zudio. Last but not the least, I have bought just one dress for this trip. I love this dress and I bought it immediately. This is in the small size XL, not small, extra small. And this was from Rio. I think Max carries this brand. The upper part of this dress is in the ribbed material. This is the exact same material, exact same design as the tank top I bought. Clearly, I am in love with this trim. That was from Old Navy. This was from Rio. This was for 799 rupees, and this is a midi length dress. The lower part of this dress is a different material than the upper part, so you can keep that in mind. This is, I think, cotton, and this fits me really well. And yeah, I don't know where am I going to wear this, but I'm sure I'm wearing this a lot. This is my haul. this was it for my Goa haul. Let me know if you like these pieces, and if you want to purchase these, you can always go to Zudio or use the links that I have provided in the description box. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.